In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix start menu and search not working in Windows 11. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, a frozen start menu is usually caused by a hang in the start menu experience host.exe or a corrupted search index following the recent AI integration updates. So what you can do is a process kickstart. This forces Windows to kill and immediately restart the start menu and taskbar without rebooting your whole PC. So what you want to do is go to your search, and then go over to Task Manager, then click the Details tab. Find Start Menu Experience Host.exe. So I'm going to go ahead and scroll down until I find that. So it's going to be like around here. Once you basically go ahead and find it, right click it, and then go to End Task. Now Windows is going to automatically relaunch it in a clean state. And if that doesn't work, find Windows Explorer in the Processes tab, which is going to be at the very top, and find Windows Explorer, which in my instance is right here. And then all you want to do is do the same thing, right click it, and then click restart right here. Now, if the start menu opens up, but you can't type anything into the search bar, the background indexing service is likely crashed. So press Windows and R, and then type in services.msc, click enter, and find Windows Search in this list. And since it's in alphabetical order, it's going to be towards the bottom. Windows Search is right there. Right click it, and then click restart, and then that's it. You should be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.